Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki here in the Doug and Nikki Technology Center where I have a cool new product from COSOOS. That might be COSOOS, I don't know. COSOOS. In any case, they make really cool charging products. This is a charging station with 6 ports. For me, the train has left on USB-A, and this is Willow. It's my 17-year-old kitty cat who wanted to be in the video. But in any case, this has a mix of the USB-A and my USB-C high-speed connections. Actually, USB-C is at 20 watts. The USB-A is at 2.4 amps. So all of them are going to be high-speed charging. Let me just set it up and show you what it looks like. Look, it's a nice clean design. You can see the ports there. How cool is that? Comes with these separators so that you can put all the different devices and stack them in there without them laying on each other. So while I'm assembling it, I do need to tell you that this was provided to me to do this review, but with absolutely no instructions. So I am free to say it sucks if it doesn't. At the end of the video, I will give you a Doug score from 1 to 5 and let you know what I thought of this. Couple things I liked. This cord is actually a reasonable length. That's a nice plus. Another nice plus is it comes with a reasonable selection of plugs. Actually, a generous selection. Thank you, Willow. It comes for the USB-A side. It comes with plugs for both USB-C, USB micro, and for iPhone thingamabobs. For the USB-C side, it comes with 2 USB-C and 2 Apple thingamabobs. So that's really good. So you can really charge away here. So let's just give it a shot. Let's put the old phone here. How about that? They're obviously designed for this, so they're just the right length so that you can comfortably connect like an iPad or something like that down to a cell phone like this. Obviously, cat just pushed the box off. Obviously, you could charge anything on it. You could charge GoPros, all that kind of stuff, but the phones that fit so nicely in there. Let's flip the switch. Okay, so you can't see it because it's very dim on my screen, but it is going to be fully charged from 20%, so it's pretty low. It's going to be fully charged in 52 minutes, which is absolutely phenomenal. This is a very power-intensive phone, so a 50 minutes to full charge from 20% is really good. I have to say, this is like exactly what I expected. It is working perfectly. I do have one thing that I'm going to recommend to the manufacturer if you happen to be watching. I think you need some cool blue LED lights in these little dividers. How cool would that be if it like lit up a little bit? Just an idea. In any case, I'm going to absolutely give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score because it's doing everything that I wanted. It looks cool. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.